Best wagons for 2024 Volvo V90. In the realm of family-oriented vehicles, the 2024 Volvo V90 stands out as a paragon of Scandinavian luxury, blending elegant design, advanced technology, and practical versatility. As the demand for sophisticated yet practical transportation continues to grow, the V90 sets new standards for comfort, safety, and innovation in the wagon segment. The 2024 Volvo V90 is powered by a range of efficient and potent engines designed to deliver both performance and fuel efficiency. The base model features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 250 horsepower, while the optional plug-in hybrid powertrain delivers a combined output of 415 horsepower. Both powertrains come paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive shifts. Versatility is a hallmark of the 2024 Volvo V90's design, with its spacious interior and flexible cargo area catering to a wide range of needs. The V90 offers ample room for passengers and cargo alike, making it ideal for family road trips, weekend getaways, or daily commutes. The sleek exterior styling, characterized by clean lines and subtle details, gives the V90 a refined and sophisticated presence on the road, while the available roof rails and cargo accessories add to its practicality. Inside, the 2024 Volvo V90 provides a luxurious and comfortable environment for occupants. The cabin features premium materials, ergonomic design elements, and advanced technology features, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. The standard panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light, while the available leather upholstery and heated seats ensure comfort during long journeys. Volvo's Sensus infotainment system offers intuitive controls and seamless connectivity, allowing passengers to stay connected and entertained on the go. Safety is a top priority in the 2024 Volvo V90, with a comprehensive suite of driver assist features and advanced safety technologies designed to protect occupants and prevent accidents. Standard features include Volvo's City Safety System, which includes automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, and lane keeping assist. Additional available safety features include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Competing in the wagon segment, the 2024 Volvo V90 faces rivals such as the Audi A6 Allroad, Mercedes-Benz E-Class wagon, and BMW 5 Series Touring. Each offers its own blend of style, performance, and technology, but the V90 stands out for its elegant design, advanced safety features, and plug-in hybrid option. In conclusion, the 2024 Volvo V90 sets the bar for luxury and versatility in the wagon segment, offering a winning combination of elegance, comfort, and innovation. Whether tackling daily errands or embarking on family adventures, the V90 delivers an unmatched driving experience that is sure to impress discerning buyers seeking a refined and practical vehicle.